You are about to hear Cassie Ventura's cross-examination testimony from May 16, 2025, as presented in federal court during the Sean Diddy Combs trial. Please note, viewer discretion is strongly advised. This content includes real statements made in court by Cassie Ventura and the prosecution. Some words have been censored to comply with YouTube's policies. What you are about to see is a voiceover reenactment of Day 5 of the Diddy trial, based on live courtroom reporting by Inner City Press on X.com. All individuals mentioned are innocent until proven guilty. Please listen at your own discretion. All rise. Good morning. You are still under oath, Ms. Ventura.
You believe Mr. Combs was blackout for the Intercontinental event?
I believe he was intoxicated. Everyone's definition is different.
But you said blackout. What did you write here?
I wrote, when you get f***ed up the wrong way.
You meant drugs?
And alcohol.
Here Mr. Combs writes to you, I am so horny for you.
This is not in evidence.
Here Mr. Combs is asking you for soon after the Intercontinental, right?
I was saying who he felt.
What did you write back?
I wrote, we need a different vibe than Friday at the Intercontinental.
Mr. Combs wrote, Friday. I don't even want to do that again. What did you write?
I wrote, LOL, true.
Mr. Combs suspected you're of having an affair with someone else in the industry. What happened when he took your phone?
We were in a car, and he told me to call my mother. When I did, he grabbed my phone and took it.
It was a big fight.
He was just gone.
For how long?
A few hours until my mother called the police.
Did Mr. Combs go through your phone?
I think so. And he called someone on it.
The person you had an affair with, an NFL player?
I don't know if he's playing anymore.
But he was an NFL player, and he was jealous. Wasn't there a time he found out you were dancing with another person in the entertainment industry and took your phone, right?
I don't remember.
It was Chris Brown.
I was not dancing with him.
Look at this. It's from 2013.
Now I see.
What else did Mr. Combs take?
My car, my passport, when he was angry.
Let's refresh you about Mr. Combs being in rehab.
I vaguely remember.
Why did you go to Sedona?
I went to Arizona to get away from the drugs.
I'm gonna go to a new topic. Mr. Combs told you to go get the video you'd heard about. What did you write?
I wrote, you keep putting me down.
I'm gonna play you some audio.
If you saw a video of someone me, who was me? You have it, why didn't you show me? 'Cause I'm not disrespectful, bro. If you don't show me, I will kill you, cut you up. I will f***ing kill you. I've never killed anyone in my life. I am going to f*** you up. It's not going to be blood on my hands. Someone else is going to do it. I'm not playing with you, Sujit, tell me.
That was you, right?
Yes.
Did Mr. Combs express concern about these videos being released?
When?
Ever?
Yes.
The escort, Jonathan. You thought he took a video?
Yes.
Mr. Combs spent a lot of money to make sure the video did not get released?
I don't know.
You had a conversation with Jonathan Oddie that was transcribed?
I'm not sure.
He was volatile?
I didn't trust him.
What did Mr. Combs say when you told him you thought Mr. Oddie was recording?
He said he'd take care of it.
Are you aware of an escort leaving comments on Mr. Combs' Instagram page?
I am not.
Now, let's talk about rehab. Do you still zone?
Something like it.
What does it treat?
Opioid addiction.
Objection.
Overruled.
You wrote a book in rehab. The place treats sexual compulsion?
Objection.
Sidebar.
Did you get neurofeedback therapy?
Yes.
What is it?
They hook something up to your head and show you things. See how you react.
Were you told the effects of it?
Help me with my trauma.
Did you participate in EMDR?
Yes.
What does it do?
Memories and processing them.
The idea is you recall prior traumatic memories, like for PTSD. You were being treated for PTSD?
Yes. I was still physically developing.
You were 22.
Women keep developing after 22, don't you think?
But you're not suggesting you were still physically developing after 22?
I am not.
This message is about having a freak out without ketamine, right?
May I confer with counsel?
No. But we'll take a break. Witness list by Sunday, 5 p.m. As for these long text messages, use binders so we can save time. Now, real break.
Mr. Combs wrote, "You're so predictable. You've said you were going to tell him you didn't want to do freakouts anymore, but you didn't say it, did you?"
I did not.
Here, you were suggesting freaking off with a girl. You say you found a photo of Mr. Combs with Gina while you were staying with your parents in Connecticut, right?
Yes.
You decided to break up with him. And he didn't threaten you, but suggested couples counseling?
I don't know.
In August 2018, you called it a closure conversation. Mr. Combs was inviting you to Burning Man, right?
Yes.
I'll read Mr. Combs. You have anger.
I wrote, my family knows. I am not running around telling our business. I wrote, I don't need you to be taking take of Kim and Gina. I needed you to put me first.
Please read these.
I wrote, you lied to me. She never went away. It was the nail in the coffin.
You meant Gina, the photo?
Yes.
In your civil lawsuit, you say Mr. Combs raped you in September 2018 after you had dinner at an Italian restaurant in Malibu, right?
Yes.
Did you meet with the U.S. on November 30th, 2023?
Yes, not the exact date.
In this meeting, you said the rape took place after Mr. Combs returned from Burning Man. You said he was acting strangely at that dinner?
I don't remember exactly that word.
Did you meet the U.S. on April 8th, 2025?
Around then.
This message to FB, who's that?
Frank Black, a name he used.
He wrote, I'm in an investors conference. We'll get back to this. You still have love for him?
I have love for the past and what it was.
You wrote, I didn't mean to be a bitch. I just don't get the time. He writes, just need you to be positive, correct?
Yes.
DX1309. This is about a yoga instructor?
Yep.
What did you write?
I wrote, I've stopped even caring.
But you did care.
Yeah.
So he said, you could date other people. Let's just talk about it, correct?
Yes.
What did you write?
I wrote, I do love you. I would just prefer not being one of your girlfriends. Let's get up tomorrow night. I'll do studio from 6 to 9.
He writes, can I hold you? Or are you just going to break up with me? And you write back, we can embrace LOL. And you wanted to hug him, right?
That's what I said.
Did you have sexual intercourse with Mr. Combs that night?
I did.
And during that, your now husband FaceTimed you?
Yes.
Your now husband didn't know you were with Mr. Combs at the time?
I don't know what he knew.
Later he discovered it?
Objection.
Overruled.
You don't your husband, you...
Not that evening.
After Ms. Porter's memorial service, you wrote to him that you were going home. Why had he called Kim his soulmate? What was the 11 years all about?
Yes.
That was hurtful?
At that time, yes.
And after that memorial service, you never saw Mr. Combs again, right?
I did not.
He let you go, right?
I never saw him again. I don't know about letting me go.
You got married to the love of your life, right?
Break.